All right, guys, so today we're going to be setting up a tunnel from a new company that I have not worked with yet. It's called Tunnel Vision Greenhouses, and I'm looking forward to getting this set up. So let's go get started. Two at a time and line them up. Over the rebar, far end. These are 4 feet. Under my string line. So what we found, the easiest way to transport this is upside down. The way I like to level this last end hoop here.